Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here. For today's video, we're going to be in my bedroom, giving it a much needed refresh. I've actually been wanting to do this for a while now, but I was a little bit embarrassed because it's not really anything to be wild about. And honestly, I really don't have the funds to do like a huge makeover. So I figured a refresh was the next best thing. So I'm going to be using a lot of things that I already have and repurpose some things here and there. So it should be a good video. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a big thumbs up because that really helps out my channel. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Hi. Someone wanted to say hi. Say hi, Papas. Good job. Hi. Dales un besito. Dale un besito. Mwah. Ready? Mwah. Good job. Yay. All right, so this is my bedroom here, and I want to apologize in advance because the lighting sucks in here. I did what I could, but this is as good as it gets. But I want to create this wall gallery here on top of my bed. And I just put all of the artwork there on my bed here just to kind of like lay them out how I think they would go on the wall. So that's actually where I'm going to start. But I still wanted to show you guys the rest of the bedroom. It has like a weird layout, and I know it's kind of hard to see on video. But down that little creepy hallway there, we have 2 walk-in closets with a bathroom, and we did convert one of the walk-in closets into a laundry room because that was our only option. While I'm hanging up this artwork, I did want to take this time to say thank you for all of the love and support that I received in my last video. And I saw that I did get a couple of new subscribers. So I also wanted to welcome you guys and just give you a quick little rundown about myself. I am a stay-at-home mom. I have 3 kiddos, and my youngest has Down syndrome. So he keeps me pretty busy. And because of that, I'm not as consistent as I would like to be here on YouTube. But I hope that you guys understand and just try and be patient with me. So this is what it looks like so far. Honestly, if this is all that I did in the bedroom, I would have been more than happy with it because I love it so much. It just brings a smile to my face. I don't know what it is about it, but I just love it. Those stems there are from, I can't remember, but I will make sure to link them. I got them last year, if I'm not mistaken, and I'm just going to add them here on top of my dresser. I felt like that was a perfect spot for them. So this dresser here, I'm going to go ahead and move to the other side where I have the TV. And then this table, I'm going to move to my son's room and just place the TV on top of the dresser. But for this video, I really wanted to take this time and make this room beautiful again because it is probably one of the most neglected spaces in my home. My husband used to work nights and sleep all day, so I would never really come in here. So I was really uninspired to do anything. But this year I was determined to make my home beautiful one little space at a time, and I hope that I encourage you guys to do the same. This is as good a day as any. So right about this time is when I realized that I underestimated how heavy this TV was, and I was trying to figure out if I should wait for my husband. Long story short, I did it myself. To start the rebuilding of life.
The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow.
So I do need your guys' help. I was wondering what I should put here on top of my TV. I thought about putting a shelf, but then I ended up putting shelves to this wall here, so I figured it would look weird. But I don't know, maybe I should put some artwork there. But I don't want to take away from the wall gallery that I created. So I would love any type of suggestions from you guys. Well, here I was just trying to figure out what to put here because I really want to hide that thing that's right there. I don't even know what it is. So I was trying to see if I should put shelves there or if I should put that big old wall art that I had. But I've had this here for a while and I wanted a change. And then I also had a mirror that I wanted to put up there. So I was just playing around with the stuff that I had to see what looked better. So I decided to go with the mirror and then the two shelves on the side. But before I put any of that up, I did want to give this wall a quick wipe down. So this is what it looks like. I didn't film myself decorating these shelves here because I kind of ran out of time and honestly I forgot to film. But we're going to go ahead and move on to my bed. This is probably the only thing that I spent money on. And I want to say this was like $30–40. But I really needed a comforter. And I'm not much of a duvet person. I don't know. I feel like they're too much work. I just didn't go for a duvet cover. Plus they were really expensive, so I went for this cheaper alternative. But before I put it on my bed, I did want to give it a quick wash. And before I show you guys the big reveal, I just wanted to remind you guys what my bedroom looked like. And the after is very simple, but honestly, I feel like it made such a huge difference. And it just brings a smile to my face every time I walk into the room now. So that's going to do it for today's video. There's still a couple things that I want to do in this bedroom, but for now, this is enough and it really does make me happy. I hope that you enjoyed spending some time with me and got inspired. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy these types of videos, and also give this video a big thumbs up. I will talk to you guys all in the next video, God willing. Bye.